Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best carpet cleaner machines that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner Machine 86T3. This is the topmost and best of all the carpet cleaning machines on the market. It is used for professional cleaning. You can see after using the result would be different. The Bissell Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine Professional Grade Carpet Cleaner achieves a whole new level of clean with its powerful motors and extra-large brush roll to pull out deep-down dirt. It's made of super durable, high-quality materials for sturdy, anti-tip design, and features robust workmanship from top to bottom. The Big Green Deep Cleaning Machine outcleans the leading rental carpet cleaner. Cleaning path width, 10.5. Heatwave technology. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner, FH50700. Over the years Hoover is known for quality. This model is the second best and this is certain from the great features and the cleaning ability. It has wonderful features that set it apart. The Hoover PowerDash Pet Carpet Cleaner easily tackles pet messes and everyday stains while delivering 2x more cleaning power than the leading lightweight carpet cleaner. Our new Power Spin Pet Brush Roll provides a powerful clean for high-traffic areas and small spaces. This easy-to-use pet carpet cleaner delivers a compact and lightweight design for efficient cleaning and storage. Plus, the PowerDash is designed with heat force power to deliver even faster drying for any space. Ideal for your pet carpet cleaning needs. At number 3, we have the Bissell SpotClean ProHeat Portable Spot and Stain Carpet Cleaner, 2694, Blue. Bissell is always known for its heatwave technology. This is another great model made popular by that great technology. When it cleans, it does that with consistent water and temperature. It would always achieve a better result. Permanently remove tough spots and stains with the Bissell SpotClean Preheats and Bissell Professional Spot and Stain Plus Oxy formula. The built-in heatwave technology helps maintain consistent water temperature. It's a powerful, compact, portable cleaning machine. At number 2, we have the Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner Machine and Carpet Shampooer, 2085. It can perform two things and that includes carpet cleaning and carpet shampooer. This is a unique product with the most fantastic features. This is the best upright cleaner that you can get from the market. Pet owners know that wherever there are pets and carpets combined, there are sure to be spots and stains that need cleaning. The Bissell Turboclean Powerbrush Pet is the convenient upright carpet cleaner for pet owners with small spaces to help bring area rugs and carpets back to life. When paired with Bissell Oxy-based formula, the carpet cleaner makes it easy to get spots and stains like coffee, wine, grape juice, even dog and cat urine out of your carpet, area rugs, small hallways, and many other high-traffic areas. And finally at number 1, we have the Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner, FH52000, Turquoise. Another high-quality product from Hoover. This model is great because of the automatic cleaning technology. It can clean and dry at the same time. The Hoover Smartwash Automatic Carpet Cleaner Machine eliminates the guesswork with automatic cleaning technology that makes carpet cleaning as easy as vacuuming. Simply push forward to clean, pull back to dry. No multiple buttons. No solution measuring. No hassle. Just seriously simple and seriously powerful. Remove deep down embedded dirt with flex force power brushes. Plus, Auto Mix precisely mixes and dispenses the correct amount of solution for optimal cleaning while Auto Dry powerfully extracts water with heat force for an even faster drying time. Rinse, manual. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.